Hi, my name is Kyarra. I'm a current generator specialist in training. I graduated this past December with a degree in chemical engineering from the University of Missouri. I learned how to set up and perform the insulation resistance test on both the stator and the rotor. This has been very beneficial because it allows for me to understand what we're testing, why we're testing, and to understand the data on my own. Before that, I was really just writing down the numbers given to me by my management, and I'm truly grateful to understand it a little deeper now. I also have a previous background in thermodynamics from my degree, and being able to see the generators and the turbines and the boilers working together has really been full circle for me. Specifically, I use a lot of Microsoft Suite, but specifically, I use a lot of Excel in my day to day, and I can honestly say I've become a lot more proficient in that, as well as my project management tools. Yes, so I was then on site to do electrical testing under a senior engineer. While on site, I was given a space to grow. I was given a space to fail and learn from my mistakes. It has been very inspiring because you learn a lot from your failures versus your success stories. And it's kind of engraved in my head the things that I did wrong, the things I did right, how to double check. It really just told me that I was second guessing myself and I actually knew what I was doing. And it was very inspiring. And because I was on site, I was able to work with other senior engineers to develop procedures for other processes on site. So. I was already pretty comfortable with working in a team and cross-functional environment just based off my last previous job and background. But on this role, what I really appreciate about it is this: I'm on site. I'm working with the plant. I'm working with the maintenance teams. I'm working with OSD. I'm working with my winders, as well as having to communicate back to the shop, making sure that I'm their eyes and ears and they're getting the information they need. I'm very valued because sometimes I'm the only one with the answers. I'm the only one that can tell you what we're doing, what's going on. And I really appreciate that level of control and trust that I have. I would say this position is a lot of travel, but it can be rewarding. But also, there's no question that's too dumb. Ask all the questions. Someone's probably asked it before, or someone maybe hasn't. And it allows for them to see how your mind works and how you're thinking, and they might be able to help regurgitate information to you differently. Or they can maybe point you in the direction of someone that explains stuff in a way that you understand it. But if you don't ask questions, they'll assume you know, and you never want to be put in a position where you could have just asked.